Hi, this is Krish here. I'm your personal life skill coach. I'm here to help you to live your life to the fullest. We have been discussing about the frequently asked questions in interview, what's the trap and what's the best way to handle those questions. We have already seen self-introduction. We already seen where do you see yourself 5 years from now. We already seen how to answer the strength and weakness question. We already seen what is the salary you're expecting. Now we're going to discuss about how to handle a stress interview. You know there is something called stress panel whose purpose is to push you and stretch you. They see when we're not able to break down, right? Why do they do that? And what's the best strategy? How can you handle any stress interview? That's what we're going to discuss today. But before that, if you like to be at your best, if you like to unleash all the magic from within, if you like to be at your highest version, then please don't forget to subscribe to the K Factor channel. And if you like to get notification when we share new tools and techniques and hacks to become more successful, please don't forget to press the bell icon. Why do the companies do stress interview? I've been part of stress interview panels, and this is the reason why they do stress interview. Because there's something called EQ I would like to check. Emotional quotient. Yeah, you are brilliant, you're very good with your technical skills. Maybe you have good communication skill, maybe you're good with all your soft skills. But will you be able to handle the pressure, stress which is there in a corporate world, in a professional life? It won't be easy, right? Because there's a lot of pressure. You have pressure from your boss, you have pressure from the clients, you have pressure because of deadlines. Are you able to manage all those things? Will you be able to take it? Or are you going to quit? I know the person who's working in the interview room. We attended some training program. They have told you to dress well. They have told you to have a smile. They told you about body language. I know you're just faking it inside this interview room, right? So I'd like to do something to just unmask you. I just like to, just push you, pull you, frustrate you a little bit to check your true character. Right, so that's exactly where they do stress interview. I know some stress interview who actually it's like a game for them. They keep a bet and say, let's see how much time is it going to take to break this guy down. Some say they even keep a stopwatch and say, okay, I'm going to break him down in 1 minute. The other persons know I'll do it in 45 seconds, and things like that happens. It's fun for them, but when you sit on that side, you definitely need to have a skill set to handle this, right? So today we're discussing about how to handle stress interview. How do you do this? So what happens in a stress interview? Sometimes they ask rapid fire questions, right? Sometimes they make you dance, sometimes they make you do push-ups, sometimes they make you run, sometimes they make you do crazy things, sometimes they use bad words, sometimes they'll scold your father. They can use anything, right? They can be as innovative as they want. The idea is very simple. They just want to break you down. They want to see how long it's going to take you to unmask you. In one college, I've seen one girl was made to clean the floor. She was asked to be she was literally on her knees and cleaning the floor. And as she was cleaning, the interview panel conducted an interview with 4 people. And after the 4th person was finished, this girl went to them and said, I finished cleaning the room. The interviewer said, no, that corner is not clean. Please go clean the corner one more time. Now, why are they doing all those things? How is it connected to the job? Should we do all those things? Or should we say, no, this is not connected to the job that I'm going to do? So you just have to use your common sense, presence of mind. Please note, they don't know you. They have met you just 5 minutes back. Why are they asking you to do all those things? Maybe they like you. Maybe they think you fit into the company. But I have a small little problem with your attitude. Maybe I think maybe you're a person who's a little negative. Maybe you're a person who's not willing to listen. Maybe you're a person who's not ready to take orders. I'm just having a small little doubt on that aspect and like to confirm it before I give you the offer letter. So please understand, when they ask you to do something like that, they are checking some quality in you. So then what do? My school of thought, this is what is my feeling. I feel you should do whatever they ask you to do with mind, heart, body and soul. If they ask you to dance, you should dance like there is no tomorrow. You should dance, you should actually rock the floor there. If they ask you to sing, sing at your best. Whatever you can, you sing, right? When you do it like that, I know you're a passionate person. I know you're a positive attitude person. I know you'll be able to handle any situation. Because I can see you're not getting irritated. I know you're not getting bitter, you're getting better. So that's the kind of quality I'm looking for a person in my project team. Right? So don't crack down under the pressure. Please understand what is the purpose, why they're doing it, and if you can understand this, then nothing can bother you. One technique that I've shared with some of the students is if you can go into the interview room thinking it's God who's sitting inside that interview room who's going to interview. what will be your attitude? Will you get angry at him? No, you will go in with a lot of admiration, right? You will have a lot of love for him. And whatever he asks, however he tells, whatever might be his tone of voice, you will always be pleasant, you will always be loving, you will be so positive, and that technique won't work. They'll try for a few minutes and they know that nothing is going to touch this guy. You have come out with flying colors, right? So maybe that's the way to handle stress interview. Don't take it personally, right? You can only mentally prepare yourself for a stress interview because expect the unexpected. Anything can go wrong there, right? So you just need to have your emotional intelligence handle the situation. I think EQ is something which is very, very important because you won't be able to survive all this in a job because we'll be under a lot of pressure, and that's exactly the reason why we're doing this. So have a smile, be positive, be enthusiastic, just enjoy the show, just use your common sense. Maybe that's the way to handle stress interview. And if you'd like to know more about some of those questions that we've already discussed on frequently asked questions, what's the trap, what's the danger, please watch these videos. It'll give you more insights, the right way, right approach to handle those questions. And if you have any more questions on interviews, on stress interviews, right, or you have some experience, please share it in the comment section. And if you have any questions, I promise you I'll get back to you, right? So wish you all the very best. May you be blissful. Thank you.